The tension, the in-between spaces, the spaces where you know that there is a shift coming. There's something that's on the horizon, but you're in something right now that doesn't seem to make a whole lot of sense, and you don't know what the next thing is, and so that doesn't make a whole lot of sense, and you're in this in-between space. Well, it's in those spaces that I believe more happens than we would ever know to give credit for. I believe it's in those spaces where your character is better defined. I believe it's in those spaces where we see our true integrity, our actual bar that we live by. It comes to the surface. It's in those spaces where we might not always be feeling the best, but you do have to, in a sense, suit up and show up. It's in those spaces where you don't get to just completely say everything out the window right now, because you have people that are relying on you and you need to care for. It's in those spaces where you need to keep moving.